Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is week 2 assignment of the course The Joy of Computing Using Python. So guys, for the past 5 years we have been uploading many solutions. So with that experience we are giving these solutions. These are completely our probable solutions guys. If there are any changes that come to our notice, definitely we will update that in the comment section. So please once again check the updated if the updated version is available before the final submission in the comment section. You can also suggest me the solutions if you feel there should be any change in the solutions, right? So please watch the video till the end guys. Definitely subscribe our channel, like this video, and please share this video with your friends and classmates in your WhatsApp, college, student and official groups. So first question, statement: if a variable is assigned a value once, the value in the variable cannot be changed in the variable. So for first question, second option is the probable solution is false. The variable stores the value from the latest assignment. So the latest value will be taken into the consideration, right? Next, second question. Which of the following code block print Ramesh talks to Suresh and Kamlesh? So for first question, I have got two probable solutions. The first one is option A and the other one is third option. Next, moving on to the third one. Guys, definitely like the video and please share this with your friends and classmates and definitely subscribe our channel guys. So third question, what aren't the correct ways to inform Python that input is a decimal point number? So for third question, we have got three probable solutions. The first one is first option, next it is third, and other one is fourth. So except the second one, every option is incorrect. Next, fourth question. Fourth one, the following program outputs 723. For what value of A does the code output 123? So for fourth question, 6 is the correct answer. That is third option guys. Next, fifth question. What does previous question calculate? So for fifth question, second option is the correct one guys. It calculates the factorial of a minus 1 and adds 3. Next, sixth question. Which loop is used to perform a set of repetitive tasks without a condition by default in Python? So for sixth question, second option is the probable solution guys. For loop. So you cannot, no need to give condition in for loop. You can give for loop, but even if you don't give, it will be taken as default in Python. Next, seventh question. So before getting into the seventh question, I want to make a small announcement guys. So that is regarding exam preparation MCQs. So for the course The Joy of Computing Using Python, we have collected past NPTEL assignment questions with 5 years of NPTEL experience guys. Here you are going to get a huge number of 125 MCQs in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. For one person it is 150 rupees guys. For 5 persons combinedly 500 rupees guys. So if you take it along with your friends and classmates, for 5 persons combinedly you can get it for 500 rupees only. So everyone will get the same 125 MCQs. So if you want to purchase, mail me to this email ID guys, bk179417@gmail.com. We'll give the same email ID in the description box as well. So huge number of 125 MCQs. The validity will be till the exam results day. And search option is also provided guys. So for one person it is 150, for 5 persons combinedly 500. So please share this news with your friends and classmates and ask them to join a group of 5 members, and one person from that group mail me to this email ID guys. So Google Drive PDF restricted link, you'll get access. So that's it guys. Now let's get back to the solutions. Already many students have taken out various NPTEL packs including Python guys. So seventh question, what happens when the condition inside the if and while evaluate to false? So for seventh question, Second option, Python interpreter ignores the if or while blocks and proceeds the program from the lines after the if or while block. Next, eighth question. The following program might or might not have an infinite loop. Does the program have infinite loop? So for eighth question, second option, yes, it can be prevented by updating the value of a before the if block at line 3. So mark second option, guys. Next, ninth one, for which of the following values of name and age variables does the following code print? You are lucky. So for ninth question, first option Aryan comma 20 and next Anand comma 18. These two are the probable solutions, guys. Now let's move on to the 10th question and final question of the assignment. So for 10th question, the question is, for which of the options among the previous question the program doesn't print anything? So for 10th and final question, option B, second option, Akash comma 16 is the probable solution. So friends, these are the probable solutions for week 2 assignment of the course The Joy of Computing Using Python. So definitely subscribe our channel, guys. If you like the video, please click the like button, definitely, so that our videos will appear in suggestions for other students like you, so that they will also get benefited like you guys. So definitely purchase this exam preparation MCQs, 125 huge number of MCQs in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. You will get for one person it is 150 rupees, guys. For 5 persons combinedly 500 rupees. So this is the email ID bk117417@gmail.com. So that's it, guys, for this video. So keep supporting us like this. So until the next video, goodbye, thank you. Option B, second option, Akash comma 16 is the probable solution. So friends, these are the probable solutions for week 2 assignment of the course The Joy of Computing Using Python. So definitely subscribe our channel, guys. If you like the video, please click the like button, definitely, so that our videos will appear in suggestions for other students like you, so that they will also get benefited like you guys. So definitely purchase this exam preparation MCQs, 125 huge number of MCQs in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. You will get for one person it is 150 rupees, guys. For 5 persons combinedly 500 rupees. So this is the email ID bk179417@gmail.com. So that's it, guys, for this video. So keep supporting us like this. So until the next video, goodbye, thank you.